time.
I know
We're going to spray a little, yeah, you get confused for the whole coffee. We're going to spray some cold spray, there we go. And you're going to get a little, what's he going to feel?
16 and a burn.
That's right. So let's inject this and see if we can get you some pain relief here. We're going to take this slow so we can get the medicine in, and then we'll be able to open this up and drain it. The objective here is for me to do this without this gaining a lot of pressure and then spewing its contents all over Gumby.
Yeah, don't do that.
Don't do that, right? Well, it is coming out a little bit right there. That's okay though. Put a little bit more in here. What kind of work you do, Mr. Hulk?
I work for the oil field in quality control.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Now, is that with, you know, once the product has already been refined, so like with gasoline?
No, this is actually the tools that we make all the tools to go get to.
Ah, no kidding. So what do you think of fracking? It seems to be kind of a hot topic.
Yeah, I'm kind of wondering about that myself. It's the more you hear about it,
It's causing issues.
it's what it's starting to sound like.
So we know that it may cause some kind of environmental impact, and so the question then becomes, really, is it worth it? Is, you know, the kind of a gain-loss deal. I believe, what did we put, a full cc in there?
Yes.
Gumby Gene? Okay, so that's 1 cc of lidocaine with epinephrine that's buffer. Did it hurt much going in?
No, it did. Burn a little bit, but not much.
A little sting, a little burn.
Right.
Stick, sting, and a burn, as Gonzo would
Just like
say.
she said.
So the wound culture will help us determine if the antibiotic that we're giving you today is the right antibiotic, okay? So we're going to make an educated guess, and we're going to get you started on a good antibiotic as well as give you a little shot of antibiotic medicine today. When the culture results come in by the end of the week, we may be calling and saying, hey, we need to change based on the results. Because we can guess which bacteria this is, but we don't know for sure until we get the, you know, something that grows on a petri dish. Right. You ready? We're going to make a little incision. Gumby Gene, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go. This is a number 11 blade. Just making an incision. That hurt much?
No.
All right.
Didn't feel a thing.
All right. So, Gumby, can you get in there and get that culture going? There you go. Go ahead and push it down in. There you go.
I'm so sorry.
That's it. That hurt a little bit?
You felt that?
No,
I'm
he just
sorry.
felt it. He put you on a little bit there. Good. All right. So let's go ahead and squeeze this out now. Hopefully this won't hurt you a whole lot. Take a deep breath just in case, though. You ready? There you go. Breathe. There you go. Actually, that came out pretty good.
Looking better already.
You okay, Mr. Hulk?
Yeah, I'm doing okay.
All right, now if we get a good look in there, we can see there's some gray colored material. So I think that our thought process that this was probably a spider bite is more than likely correct. We're just going to open this up a little bit. We really don't want to have to shove packing in here into the forearm. We'd like for this just to remain open, and it looks to me like it will stay open on its own. Gumby Gene, I think we're going to be ready for some flush.
Okay.
Can you got us covered?
Yep.
All right.
Whoa. Cool.
It kind of had a life of its own. Did you hear that?
It did.
Felt like I was a kid doing a
I thought it was
science
gonna,
experiment.
right? Like the volcano. That's what I was waiting for.
We got Misty in with us.
Hi guys.
Ooh. That one sprayed you, didn't it?
Almost
It
got
did.
it. That was cool.
Maybe we should do it a third time. This is so much fun.
Next time it's gonna go everywhere. You see I'm hiding back here.
Yeah. Well, it's bubbling everything out. That's what we want, right? I think that's going to be good. Is it hurting at all? See, now that looks so much better. And this is really staying open, so I'm not going to have to put a packing in here, okay? So we're just going to put a dry dressing over this for you, get you your shot, your antibiotics, and everything we talked about. I do want to check on this later in the week, though, make sure everything looks okay. Now, if it starts where this redness that's around here starts moving up the arm, you need to let us know right away.
Okay.
Okay, got it? Otherwise, you did good. Already looks better to me.
He's home.
Hulk, we appreciate you sharing your procedure with all our friends.
Morning, rock stars. It's Rockstar Beth. So today I want to tell you about this really cool energy supplement that I came across. It's called Meta 7. Dr. John Gilmore is the creator. And basically, I'm always looking for the next best energy supplement to keep me going throughout my crazy day between 2 kids, a husband, 4 dogs, a job, and the list goes on and on. We all know. So when I came across Meta 7 by Dr. John Gilmore, I really liked it because for a couple reasons. It's a sustainable energy throughout my day. It's not like a hard, chug Red Bull, get a nice pick me up, and then crash super hard. It's not like that at all. It lasts throughout the day, almost little spurts here and there. The only thing that was interesting for me, not even a bad thing, is that it took a couple weeks to really get in my system, I think, and start working on a regular basis where I wake up feeling rested, I wake up feeling like I can take on the day. And that's how I felt today. So I definitely just want to share, because I know there's a lot of you guys out there who have the same everyday struggles in life to keep it going as I do, and this definitely helps. So if you want to give it a whirl, click on the description below and the link and get you some. So next time, guys.
If you'd like to get an extractor kit of your own, we did some looking around and came up with this one. It's compact, has steel instruments that won't corrode like a lot of the cheaper sets, but the price is very reasonable too. Good variety of tools and just an all-around solid kit. Use the Amazon link below and it ships quickly from the US. So you won't have to wait long before you start popping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We've got new content all the time.